psychopath.
Me and Chance might have a little bone to pick this morning. One final chance. Said he was gonna let me know how the seal was. Ghosted me. Just ghosted me. It's alright, Chance. We found you. We found you, buddy. We're coming.
Seems like the only thing that stresses you out is blowing waves and traffic.
Late.
And traffic.
If I am late to a good session, nothing pisses me off more. If it was like, if you roll up and everyone's like, oh, it was good like 30 minutes ago. That's how it's gonna be when we get down there today. I hope I get one. That's all I want.
What's your New Year's resolutions?
I want to be able to give back to the skim community a little bit more. I think in 2023 we had such a good year on the Skid Kids YouTube and on other platforms. Like, I want to be able to potentially sponsor some people into contests that wouldn't be able to afford it. Maybe donate to a contest prize purse. That might be kind of cool. And sit back, relax, and enjoy watching them. I don't know if I'm gonna do any contests this year. We'll probably get suckered into one or two. I want to surf 3 new wave pools. I'm traveling around and testing out different pools and different technologies. I think that's going to be really a big goal for me this year. And I'm going to say hit the 4 milli subscriber mark.
Ooh, what wave pools do you want to? You have your eye on?
There's like, oh my, there's like 3 new wave pools opening up in Europe, and I think I'm just gonna go to Europe in May and make a grand tour out of it.
So basically I'm walking along the street right now because Blair went in front of me while I was still getting my stuff out of the car, and the entrance had a security guard, and the security guard didn't let me in because I don't look like I rip. I basically said to him, I was like, I'm just gonna go walk on the beach. He's like, you gotta go to the other side. And the other side is pretty much like a mile walk. So I have to walk a mile along the street, and then I have to walk another mile on the beach to get to the spot. So I'm really stoked right now. Made it to the spot. Guns out, buns out. Blair's skimming over there. I'm ripping over here. Oh, I'm missing a clip. That was pretty sick. Oh my gosh. Psycho. No way. Insane. Psychopath. Oh my gosh. You're kidding me. This guy's a freaking wizard. Oh, in and out. In and out. Yikes. Awkward. Oh, jazzy with it. Oh. Whoa, dude, put a shirt on. There's kids watching. Oh. Hey, ooh, critical. Wow. Look how smooth that is. Wham.
That's the worst walk ever.
Such a gnarly walk. I had to walk all that way.
And sweating balls.
I vlogged the whole
Twice.
thing.
You walk from there all the way down and then back here
Yeah.
in a sweater.
Yeah.
That's insane. That one's kind of mental.
Look, and then it connects to that.
Yeah. Come on. Come on, Chimon, please.
Yeah, you're chamoling. You know what sounds really good right now is Mexican food.
E-bike to get us back.
Oh yeah, an e-bike to get us back for sure.
Fish.
What do you have to say about your performance?
I was skimming switch the whole session.
Is that you on the side right now? Oh,
I would have landed that.
you're skimming switch the whole time?
Yeah. So yeah, that's why I didn't get a lot of clips.
I expected more. Actually, I didn't expect more out of you. I expected what I usually expect out of you. You're still allowed on the tour?
Hit me off. Not too good.
Both of you guys just blew first place.
Better than 46th place, like Gary.
45th, dude. Get it right.
Still sweating.
Sam. Yeah, he's cruising.
Oh.
That's what I'm talking about. That's exactly what I'm talking about.
Here we go. This is a sick one.
Oh, setting up. Oh! We count it. Guy cute.
He doesn't make that?
Spray and barrel.
Oh, dude, this one can go forever.
Forever and ever. Yeah, go snake him. Just snake him. Oh! Wow. Go, John. Ew, dude. Get it together.